Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel, Tech It Simple. In this tutorial, we're going to look at how to choose languages that I know in Bumble. Now, let's begin. Initially, make sure that you have the Bumble application installed on your mobile device and logged into your account. Well, I'm simply going to open up Bumble. Well, as you can see, I've opened up Bumble. Now, what I want to do is simply go to Profile. Let's click on Profile right here. Now, this right here is the profile page. What now? Let's simply click on the image right here. That's your profile picture, and this will open up. Let's simply scroll down. Let's keep on scrolling down till we see something like language. Right here is language, and just below it is a text box like this. Simply click on it, and then from here, add the language you know. Once you add the language, simply hit on Save. Do note that you can save about 5 languages. Well, guys, that's it. That's how you choose languages I know in Bumble. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.